Remember, my friends out there in Dio land, is we learn by doing, not by watching. I learned that when I watched Kung Fu when I was a young man, and the old guy was telling the grasshopper, take the Dio key, excuse me, from my hand. Just kidding. Anyway, I hope you like my videos. I do have a whole bunch of playlists with about 3,400 videos on different aspects of the Zuma, just maintenance, because I'm not doing anything tricky with it. But I have racing videos on my little Dio here. I also have a whole bunch of videos on my 1985 gyro that I rebuilt from the ground up. I love this little bike. Very hard to find parts for. But if you have any gyro problems or anything like that, let me know. And then I have an RR600 over here. I have it just because I can. I love that bike. Afraid to ride it, but I love it. And if I don't ride it, I swear I'll ride it every year. But if I don't, I'm going to give it to my grandson, Finn. I think it'd be a great present for him. It'll be I mean, if they let you ride bikes in the future, with all the damn regulations and all the other crap they have. All right, so I'm going to turn some tunes on. And I wish I could play tunes while I'm doing my bike work, but you can't because of the algorithms and things like that. Used to be when I first started, my channel first started in 2006. It was the Wild West. In YouTube, you could do anything, say anything, put anything. Nobody cared because there was no money involved. And then about 2010, YouTube decided that they were going to put these ads on there. I thought that was the stupidest thing in the world. It'll never work. It'll never work. Well, see, that's why they're millionaires, and I'm not. So if any of you like performance, I built that when I was 17. That's all real. I had the best time in high school in the world. That was when you didn't have seatbelt laws. There was no drunk driving laws. There was no insurance laws. There was no laws. There was nothing. Open container. You just got in the car and drove. And that was it. And I loved it so much back then. That's when I just got it done. June 1979. I was 17. Oh, those are the days. So, anyway. I hope you like the videos. Sorry about the shaky camera work. I don't know how to edit anything. And I know the camera's moving around too fast. But I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can to imagine what it would be like if I were looking at this for the first time and going, God, look, somebody's already done this. Now I don't have to go and wreck the 13 parts. Oh, one more thing I would like to let everybody know. I went to 4 parts places today trying to find a 39mm socket. And of course they only got up to about 33, 34. So that's a 39mm it's not a socket, it's a, I'm getting old here, help me out. It's a nut. I found a 39. They're going to send it, ship it out, and I'll pick it up in the morning. So that will help me with the taking these apart. And I'm getting back into making videos. The thing is, I'm extremely old, and I'm retired, and I'm sad, and I'm what's the word? I'm feeling sorry for myself, which I shouldn't do. So anyway, we continue. I'm going to clean all this up, and we'll put everything in lighted order. And as soon as I get this done, then I'm going to go on to I have to put this brand new radiator up here. I have to completely repaint everything. It's a good thing I'm a car painter from back in the old day. And I've got to get this thing running, because when this isn't running, my karma is bad. And this is my baby. And I just want to thank all the Hawaiians, Steve Van Treese, Keone, all the nice people that really helped this Howie when they didn't have to, when I didn't know anything about these bikes. And one day I hope, to all you brothers in Hawaii that are great riders, I hope to be over there one day. If you see some really old guy looking at your wheels, that's probably me, and don't get upset. Rock on, Dio, Speed Demon.